Okay, let's take them out and start to have a look at them. The first one is the metal tin and granulated tin. Now this is unfortunately the best that I can do with this particular one. Now tin is obviously a metal, okay, silver in colour there. You can hear that, so that is granulated tin for number one. For number two we have carbon, and this is the black rods there. You see that it's a solid. It's classified and it is a non-metal, but that's basically carbon. And number three is oxygen gas, and if you were with the oxygen gas preparation in one of the last practicals, you'll see that it's basically a clear colourless liquid. Clear colourless gas. Number four is magnesium, and that's magnesium ribbon there. So again, you can see it's sort of silverish in colour, and in this case a strip, so that is magnesium ribbon. You'll notice that it's got the safety diamond on there, and this is for in fact a flammable solid. Number five from our collection is lead. Okay, now lead is a dark grey colour. You can see the dark grey colour there. Again, it's a solid. There's the chemical formula there for its PB, which is plumbum. But that is rather a heavy metal compared to sort of tin and magnesium. Number six, we have aluminium metal. So this is standard silver aluminium metal there. Okay, this is a very thin sheet of it, very light in relation to the lead. Number seven is silicon, and it's this black powder here. And of course, when you combine silicon with oxygen, it makes sand. So you can see silicon there. It too is a flammable solid, has the safety diamond on the edge there. Our number eight is gold. Okay, this is the one that we always look after because they can go walking every so often. But there's gold there, okay, your beautiful colour within it, and there's the symbol there, which is a U. Number nine, we have sulfur. Okay, now sulfur is a non-metal, and you can see there that it is in fact a yellow powder or a yellow solid there for sulfur. Our 10th one that we have is in fact chromium metal. So you can see chromium metal there, okay, again silver in colour, obviously a solid, and this one is not very good if you get it into your eyes as a safety feature. Number 11 is iron, Fe, and this is our standard iron here. Now this has got rust on it, okay, so it's actually had a chemical reaction with oxygen, but it's usually sort of a silver substance in colour. Our number 12 is cobalt metal, again, okay, a dark metal, again has an oxygen coating on it, usually silver, okay, simple old cobalt metal. Our number 13 is nickel and nickel pellets. So again, you can see there standard nickel, standard sort of metal, silver in colour, and pretty much like all of the rest of them. Number 14 is a granulated zinc, and again, same sort of deal. It's got the silver coating underneath the outside there that has reacted with the oxygen. So that's zinc. Number 15 is copper. Now copper is the unique one with the metals, okay, that's sort of a brownish colour, but again it does have an oxide coating on the outside that makes it dull, so it can actually be shined up very nicely if it's not. There's the copper there formula, which is Cu, which is cupric. Number 16 we have silver, and as the name suggests is basically silver in colour. Okay, there it is underneath there, down there you can see it reasonably well, pretty much like all of the rest of the metals outside copper. Number 16 is nitrogen, okay, and obviously there is something in there because it's nitrogen gas. So there's the chemical formula there for nitrogen gas. Number 18 is platinum, and you can just see only a very small piece of platinum. I'm not even sure you can see it in there. It's just a simple line, okay, because platinum, again, silver in color, pretty expensive there. And the 19th one is hydrogen gas, okay, so just plain simple standard hydrogen gas that we made up previously. Now, the most interesting of the ones is the number 20, and that is our friend Mercury. Okay, now Mercury used to be in thermometers, and it's in a few other things. Poison. Okay, so it's a very nasty stuff. But what you'll notice about it again is it's silver. Okay, let me see if I can actually see it there. You can see it floating within there, but it is the one that is a liquid. Okay, so there's 20 elements. Please stop the video, go back, have a look at any one, and again, fill out the activity 14 in your workbook, and then go and see your teacher if you need any assistance. So thank you for accessing Warwick Science's Film Practical on the elements. Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, to Warwick Science's Film Practical on the elements. Now, this particular activity corresponds with activity 14 in your workbook. So what you'll need to do is obviously have that ready for when the rest of the video starts. What you're expected to do for activity number 14 is to basically write down the element name, the symbol, now you can get that off the periodic table if you need to, the phase, which is it a solid, a liquid, or a gas, the color, and then in at least one other interesting fact or observation you can do about it. Now, with this particular one, I'm simply going to bring out all of the 20 elements that we have, and what you'll need to do is to basically fill it in as we go.